تبعد عندهم تبقى 5 مليون طفل حول العالم للركاب على الأغاني بالتبرع. هذه مبادرة نبيلة نرجو منكم وتبرعاتكم في المغلفات المتوفرة نشر المقال التي أمامكم. سأتوقف أحد أفراد الطاقم الذي أثار إسلامها منكم. شكرا.
Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign will be turned off shortly. We recommend, however, that you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened at all times during the flight. If you're using a blanket, we kindly ask that you fasten your seatbelt over your blanket so it is visible. Our infallible service will commence shortly with sandwiches. If there's anything we can do to make your flight more comfortable, please feel free to let us know. Ladies and gentlemen, Educate a Child is an initiative supported by Qatar Airways that facilitates access to primary education for out-of-school children. There are 58 million children worldwide without access to quality primary education. They live in countries suffering from poverty, discrimination, conflict, or natural disaster. We would be grateful for your support in making a donation to this noble cause by placing your contribution in the envelopes provided in the seat pocket. Please hand over the envelopes to a member of the cabin crew. Thank you.